Welcome! If you're looking to keep your Roblox private servers truly private, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to prevent everyone from joining your private servers on Roblox. This is the updated method, so you'll have full control over who can and can't join your game spaces. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your device. Make sure you're logged in with the account you want to manage. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap the three dots labeled More. This will open up a menu with several options. From here, scroll down and tap on Settings. This is where you can adjust all sorts of preferences for your Roblox experience. Next, find and tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. This section is all about controlling who can interact with you and your content on Roblox. Now look for the option called Visibility and Private Servers. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of settings related to who can see your activity and join your private servers. Go ahead and tap on Private Servers. This is the key step. Here, you'll see a list of options for who can join your private servers. To make sure no one else can join, simply choose No One. This will block everyone from accessing your private servers, so only you have control over who gets in. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've locked down your private servers and ensured that only you have access. This is perfect for keeping your games exclusive, avoiding unwanted guests, or just enjoying some solo time in your favorite Roblox worlds. If you ever want to allow friends or specific people to join in the future, you can always come back to these settings and adjust them. For now, enjoy your newfound privacy and peace of mind on Roblox. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other guides for more Roblox tips and tricks.